Actual budget review. Is it worth it? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into actual budget. If you're in the market for a lightweight, secure and open source budgeting solution that puts you in control, this might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Actual budget is built around the envelope budgeting method, meaning you only assign money that you already have. No forecasting, no guessing, just budgeting based on real available cash. As you can see here, I've got a few accounts set up already, and each one reflects only the actual money I've got in hand. It's a refreshing contrast to these automated apps that try to manage your finances for you. So, what makes Actual unique is the complete control it gives you while still running incredibly fast. Everything happens locally, which means your data lives on your device, not on someone else's server. Check this out, no syncing, no internet connection, and yet everything works flawlessly. And if you do want sync capabilities, you can either self host or go with privacy first provider like Pickabots. You even get end to end encryption if you want to lock things down further. So, features that matters are clean real time reports, quick and intuitive transaction editing, easy file imports, dark mode for night owls, a powerful undo redo system, developer friendly API, handy widgets, full import export option. And the interface, it's smooth, clutter free, and blazing fast. You can even hide categories, move things around, and truly make it your own. If you want to test it out, they offer a free interactive demo so you can try everything before setting anything up. It's open source, transparent, and focused on giving users true ownership of their data without compromising speed or flexibility. So, is actual budget worth your time in 2025? If you're after control, privacy, and simplicity, then absolutely yes. It's the kind of tool that makes budgeting feel empowering, not restrictive. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button for more no nonsense app reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video.